Writing 8.19. All right, today's work that we need to be doing is looking at poetry. So we're starting a poetry unit today and we're having a look at our sensory words and sensory details. So thinking about when you taste something sweet, when you taste something sour. So you think about what you can use your senses for to get words out of your body, basically. The first action that you're going to do is look at this picture of the beach and use your 5 senses to describe the beach using full sentences. Try and have at least one sentence per sense, or at least a paragraph that uses all of the 5 senses. Then you're going to look at this poem called The Rock Pool. The rock pool is a magic circle full of colours the sea washes in, blues, greens, browns, reds, yellows that leap in reflection and does a somersault over your head. Seagrass weaves in a slow, soft dance, reaches up to your face and hands, growing out of tiny pebbles and patterns of drifting sand. Here's a crab that scuttles sideways, hiding under a shelf of stone. Look, here's a fish with purple stripes, and there, a piece of cuttlebone. The rock pool is a magic circle full of treasures from a sea king's cave, thrown up for the delight of children by swirling tide and crashing waves. So we've read the poem, and now I want you to think about 5 senses or 5 images that came up when you were listening to me read that poem. The next activity you are then doing is choose a place that's significant to you, so a place that means something to you. Use your 5 senses to describe this place. You need to try and have at least 20 words to describe this place. That could even be done as simple as somewhere out in your garden, and you just need to dot point 20 different things or feelings, words that come up into your mind about that.